Do you want to protect your loved ones against government overreach? Then this video is for you. My name is Cameron the Bearded Broker, and I help veterans leave legacies. And today I'm giving you 5 ways to use life insurance to protect you, your loved ones, against overreach of government and creditors, courts, all of those things. Now, before we get involved in that, please like and subscribe. That would really help my channel out and really help me out a lot, and I very much appreciate it. And as always, if you have any questions, comment below. Our number's in the bio. And the first way life insurance helps protect you, yourself, and your loved ones from government overreach is going to be wealth preservation from big tax policies. And what that means is life insurance, and particularly life insurance that has a cash building value to it, protects you and your loved ones from aggressive taxes and from possible redistribution policies from the government. Now, what that basically means is when someone passes and assets are moved around, money's moved around, there's always a big tax that comes along with that. Now, that's a lot of money, a lot of value is gone to the government because of what you went through. If you use life insurance with a benefit payout, cash value paid, all the different things you can use it for, that's all protected against actual government overreach, insights, courts, all of those things. And the way that it is because redistributed to your family, the benefit payout is tax-free. So it goes straight to your family, straight to your loved one, your beneficiary, without the government getting their hands involved. And the second way that life insurance can be used to protect your family from government overreach is going to be financial privacy. These are private contracts that protect your financial assets from any overreach, seizures, any redistribution, like some governments have talked about redistributing people's money to make it more fair, quote unquote. And also any invasive financial monitoring. As you see, the world is changing. The governments across the world are trying to make everything digital. They want to track everything that you do day in, day out. If you're conspiracy theorists, there's a 2030 plan, 2025 plan, everything going to really monitor every individual's person's day-to-day life. Now, if you use a life insurance plan as it is right now, the government can't get into that. It's a private contract between you and the insurance company. They can't see what your family's going to be paid out when the beneficiary gets that check. They can't see any of that. Now, a third way that life insurance can be used to protect and keep your privacy is going to be from creditor or legal overreach. And what that means, and this is most jurisdictions throughout the state and the country, that creditors, courts, they can't come after the value of your life insurance policy whenever you're going through whatever it is you're going through. Now, of course, check with your CPA, check with your state policy. It may be different than where I live, but this is a private contract that no matter what happens, your beneficiary will get paid out the amount of the value that you're paying in and your life insurance policy plan is. And the fourth way that life insurance is a great asset to have to protect against any government overreach or policies that may change down the line is to hedge against any economic instability that could be the direct result of government mismanagement. And then that means is if our currency becomes devalued, there's inflation, things are just going, the economy's all over the place due to what the government has done because they didn't do some great things, depending on what side you're on. Your life insurance benefit payout is going to be a stable source of wealth moving from your family that the government can't get their hands in. Now, if you have a permanent one like whole life that does have a cash building asset to it, that cash building will not be changed because of what's going on in the economy. You're still going to have that available. You're still going to have that as a source if you need it for whatever's going on. No matter how volatile the economy gets, you'll also have a solid plan going forward that you can use depending on what kind of plan you built. And the fifth way that life insurance protects you and your family from government overreach is when legacy planning happens. Obviously, life insurance is to leave a legacy for your family to set them up better than you had going in. And what this does is it bypasses all bureaucratic controls from courts and everything that they want to have their hands in and be involved with for some reason. When you designate a beneficiary, the payment goes directly to them. It's not going to get inheritance tax, not going to get all those taxes, all protected against tax. It's protected against any wealth redistribution that might go on. If any big, massive tax policies change where people can pay more taxes, this protects against everything. So no matter what happens going forward with the economy, whatever in the USA where I'm at, you have a life insurance plan that will protect your family going forward for that beneficiary payout value that you signed up for and that you decided and planned when you started the policy. Now, those are 5 quick ways that life insurance protects you and your loved ones against the government overreach and oversight. Now, as always, check with your CPA, check with your financial advisor if you want to get different opinions. Don't take one person's opinion on anything. Verify everything you want to verify. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. My number's in the bio. My name is Cameron the Bearded Broker, and I help leave legacies. Peace.